Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am super excited today because I am bringing you an unboxing of a DIY designer box from ThredUP. And you probably all know that I love the DIY designer box. Most people do love them, but they're really hard to come by these days. So I did get some, and I was holding this last one that I have until I could get more, and I was able to order a few more of them. So that is wonderful. And thank you to Stacy. Stacy, you know who you are. I don't know if you want me to use your last name, but thank you, Stacy, for letting me know they were available, because I do check when I can, but I do work full time in addition to doing eBay and YouTube, so I don't always have time to go out there and check. And so Stacy did let me know that they were available, and I got a few of them. So anyway, DIY designer boxes are boxes from ThredUP that either they have DIY means do it yourself, obviously, so there's something probably that needs to be fixed, or else they just couldn't sell the item or something like that. We never know for sure. So they cost $140 plus. They have cost more, but the general ones, in general, the DIY designer boxes cost $140 plus shipping plus tax if you pay that in your state. I got this. It's fairly lightweight. It's just a smaller one. It's from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. It seems like ThredUP has now gone to just doing that in Pennsylvania. So yeah, whatever. I don't know. We'll see what I got here. We'll see what I got. You know I love doing these. I love doing these unboxings. So, and I still don't understand how ThredUP can put one piece of tape on this box and somehow things don't get lost or broken. So I guess, I use a lot of tape when I ship things. Okay, so I just cut it. I'm opening it up. All right, so we've got our Rescue Box DIY Designer. Yes, so that is what we have. And then there is, I'm going to do the first look. And you're getting the first look before me, so let's see. All right, well, I can't really tell anything at all by just that, so you probably can't either. So let's start out. I'm a little more excited than a person should. Oh my gosh! I got a Gucci! I got a Gucci something, a dress! Oh my gosh, are you kidding? It's a Gucci dress. Look at this. What size is it? I don't see the size yet, but look at this. Oh my gosh. My day has been made. My day has been made. Okay, let's see. Oh, I see why. Okay, there's pilling on this dress, but okay, there's the tag. And it's sleeveless, and it's like a mini. And there's the front and there's the back. I'm going to show you, and then there's also a couple of lightened spots. This, I can probably get some of this pilling off. So I can probably do that. The stain, I don't think I can do. And that pilling is on both sides. So I don't know. That's not the worst thing, really. That is not the worst thing. If this is my size, I'm keeping it. It's not. I didn't think so because it's really tiny. It's a size 30, 36. So I'm going to show you that tag. Let's see. Where is the 36? There's the 36. And then here is the tag. Bummer. Oh, that is not a bummer, but it's a bummer. It's not my size. This, I'm just going to kind of give you... it's gorgeous though. I don't care. It zips up the back. Let's make sure the zipper works. Oh, it's got the Gucci zipper. Oh my gosh. I love Gucci. You know what? I don't care what they make with a Gucci tag on it. I don't, call me shallow. I'm actually not shallow, but I love Gucci. I love Gucci. Can't help it. They just know how to make things luxury. They make it nice. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, look at this. This is my next item. Fendi. I've never gotten a Fendi anything. Oh my gosh. It's a shirt dress. And that, I think that is my size. What is wrong with this? It's white, so I can only imagine there must be a stain somewhere. Don't see one offhand though. It's a button down. And I'm going to show you the front. I don't see anything wrong with this offhand, but it's almost like if there is something wrong, you don't really see it till afterwards, but I don't see any stains, rips, or tears. I don't see anything, which makes me wonder, is there a button missing? There's not a button missing. I don't see anything wrong with it. There is the name is embroidered, or it's, you know, yeah, embroidered on there, if you can see that up close. I don't know what the size is, but it's a dress which looks kind of like a midi length. I don't think it's a short one, but I'll have to find the size. But anyway, it buttons. Is it a? Yeah, it's like a buttons up the front, not all the way down. A Fendi dress. Are you kidding? I got a Fendi dress and a Gucci dress. My job here is done. Okay, I'm already happy with this box, but there's more to go. There's 5 more items. Ooh, this is soft. Okay, it's something black. Oh my god. I can't. Oh my god. Isabelle Morant. I must say, Isabelle Morant, anything I've sold by Isabelle Morant, okay, there was a dress one time that didn't sell for a lot, but anything else I've sold with Isabelle Morant's name on it has sold for good money. So here it's a size 38, Isabelle Morant, and it's a beautiful cardigan sweater. Feels like cashmere. Is it cashmere? Let's go look and see. Isabelle Morant, 70% cashmere, 30% silk. Okay. Size 38 is pretty small. I don't know. I'm just gonna see. Oh my gosh, the arms are tiny. But I'm gonna just see. Well, I have a whole shirt on, so it's not gonna. But ooh, okay. Oh, that's so cute. That is so soft. You can't see how soft it is on camera, but it is absolutely insane. It buttons in the front. I think it's just one button. I don't see what's wrong with this. I can only imagine. You know, is there a hole maybe? Because a lot of times cashmere will have a hole in it. I don't see any. Okay, I have to say right now, I don't care what else is in here. This is the best box I've gotten in a very long time. A very long time. This is, I mean, there might be something wrong with that. I will look it up. You know, I will look it over after this. But this is just, I love it. And it just keeps getting better. I'm getting my favorite brands in here. Look at these. Guess what they are? Valentino. Now, I don't know about you, but I love Valentino shoes. I mean, I like Valentino, you know, the name is good and whatnot, but, and then they have to be my size. Oh my God. But I can't wear this high of a heel. I broke my ankle a few years ago trying to play hockey and, being the key word. I was trying to beat my son and his friends. I know, right? I know. But anyway, these are size 38.5 and they're Valentino. They're patent leather. I can already tell you the reason that they're in here is, you know, patent leather is not long-term the best finish on a pair of shoes. Oh, no, that's not why, though. It's because of this. Now, this I can get fixed. I know I can bring it to a shoe cobbler. This broke in the back. These are sling back. You know, you just slide them on and put the sling back on. Outside of that, they're in pretty good. The finish is a little dull, but I can shine that up. So, oh my God, these are so nice. I can get that fixed. I can bring it to a shoe place and get that fixed. Oh my gosh, I love this box. Love it. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God, this keeps getting better and better. Okay. Oh wow. I feel like this is making up for some crappy boxes I got over time. Oh my gosh. ThredUP, if you're watching, thank you. Could you send me more like this one? Okay, anyway, we've got an Alexander McQueen skull scarf, which feels like silk. Let's just see if it is. Dry clean only. 100% silk. Okay, here is the tag. And you can't. This is so little. I don't think you'll be able to see that on camera. I don't know if you really look up close. Anyway, it's gray and it's got black skulls on it, and the tag, one of the stitching pieces on the tag is off a little bit. Maybe that's why it's in here. There's nothing. I don't see any tears in it. But you know, as always, I will look it over. There's the name on there. So, Alexander McQueen scarf. Are you kidding? Oh my God. What is going on? And the next thing is just as good. It's actually better. Ah! I can't take it. Oh. This is worth some money, I'm telling you right now. Oh my head. Oh my gosh. Okay. Self-portrait. I don't know if I'm just throwing this out there, and it'll show that I don't know a lot about the name self-portrait, but I see. Okay, self-portrait is the brand, and it's a scallop dress, which is absolutely ridiculously beautiful. I can't even believe how beautiful this is. It's a US size 6, and it's got some staining on the front though. It's like someone dropped it on the floor or something. I don't know. I'm gonna try and get that off though. I think I probably can get that off. You know, okay, so the part I was gonna say about the brand is self-portrait part of another designer company? I think it might be. I don't know. Anyway, that's what I wonder, but I don't know the answer. Okay, anyway, here it's still brand new tag. Self-portrait. The price tag is on it. The price tag is $440. And this dress is not going to go to waste. I will get that stain off there. I don't care how long it takes me. First of all, I've been losing a few pounds, and maybe when I get to size 6, I want to keep this. I want to keep this dress. It is just, it's hit. I can't believe it. I can't believe self-portrait. I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy. There's one more item. I have not disliked any items, but here's the last item. What's in here? Is it Chanel? Is it Hermes? That seems to be how this box is, so you never know. We got it all nicely wrapped up here. Well, what have we? Ooh. Oh, what a great ending to this box. Mew Mew. Are you kidding? Oh, I cannot believe these they're gorgeous. I have to try them on. You know I'm going to have to try them on. I love them. I'm not a big sunglasses wearer. I mean, I don't know. I just don't wear sunglasses much. I don't see anything wrong with them either. Are they? No, they're not scratched. I don't know. I don't see anything wrong with them. They're beautiful. I am blown away by this box. I'm so glad I just ordered more boxes, more designer boxes. So we've got the Mew Mew glasses. I cannot take it. We've got the stained but brand new self-portrait dress. It's absolutely, this is like my style of dress. I love this dress more than words can say. I will be getting that stain out of there. All right, we got the Alexander McQueen skull silk scarf. Oh my God, unreal. We've got the Valentino shoes that need to have the backs repaired on them. We've got the Isabelle Morant cashmere sweater, which I don't see any problems with. We've got the Fendi shirt dress, which might be, I might be keeping that dress. Okay, I might be. We'll see. Okay. And finally, are you kidding me? We've got the Gucci! I don't care. You know what? I think I can get some of that pilling off of there. So, all right. Well, thank you for joining me on the best box I've opened in, I don't know, 6 months. I'm sure it is. So I'm going to just be smiling for the rest of the day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you next time.